Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be painting a lot more of your suggestions. So in this video, I'm going to definitely be doing the saber-toothed tiger fighting a caveman with lightning striking and causing fire. This was a really good and really difficult suggestion that someone left me, and I will be doing that one in this video. I'm also going to be doing the African gray parrot and a Lisa Frank inspired painting of a master painting. So that one should be interesting, and I'm a little nervous about it, but I'm also very excited about it. And yeah, we'll get started. Enough chitter chatter. Okay, I've run across an issue with the gouache and the sketchbook. In my last video, someone commented and wanted to know if the gouache cracks when it's in a sketchbook because of the flimsy pages. And I haven't noticed any cracking yet, but I did just notice. I unclipped it and I went to turn the page, and this page had stuck to this page. This, I guess maybe because of the moisture on this side, it caused this to stick to the wings and stuff. Kind of messed it up a little bit. Down here is fine. And still no cracking. I haven't noticed any cracking yet, but I did notice this. So, and there's nothing on this page. So what I'm gonna do is, I got parchment paper and I cut them. So hopefully that'll work. I think this is really just for while I'm painting. As long as they're dry, I don't think they should stick together because they'll be dry and they'll have no moisture to really reactivate it. So I'll keep these in here just while I'm painting, and then I'll probably end up taking them out. This turned out pretty good. The sky is so cool. I love the lightning and the fire. This guy was challenging. I think it looks more like a bear or a wolf. Like a wolf and a bear had a baby with a saber-toothed tiger. So this is like a saber-toothed wolf bear tiger. I think his teeth look cute. Success? Yes? No? Yes? And I'm running out of white. Let me just show you. Look at this white compared to all the other colors. It's gonna be interesting for sure. And on to the next one. The African gray parrot. And in her comment, she said that he likes to hang upside down, which is super cute.